Permanent road closure notice.
Yeah, that's not the place we're going. Don't you have candy too?
I don't want candy, I want beef stick. What are you not getting?
You want your beef stick?
Yes!
There's so many things I could say right now. What you looking for?
Huh? My beef stick.
Ow! Did you get your beef stick?
Yes, I got my beef sticks.
Where are we going, babe?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
Okay, can you give me 2 seconds? You're ripping up there like we're being chased by a zombie apocalypse. Like
The whole apocalypse is chasing
yeah.
us?
We're going to Sugar Lake Fire Lookout.
Sugar Mountain.
Then why did you ask me?
Eat your beef stick. So yeah, guys, we're trying our best to see all the fire lookouts that we can before winter. So, if you guys like this video, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. We're a small channel, we're just trying to grow and show our adventures, so yeah.
Got my beef stick.
Beef sticks and candy, you're happy. Should be good. Oh, hello. Here's a tree. Just walk right over that. So we need a bigger lift. Okay, so we're at that part of the trail where it seems like there's rocks everywhere. We aired down even further so we don't pop a tire. And we're in 4-low.
You fell down.
And I fell. I got tripped by a freaking log. Jeez, it just looks like part of the field now. This just looks like part of the field.
Yeah.
Actually, this field, it's better to go up here than it is to go up the road. That's nuts. Look at these. Yeah, we should have brought the stickers.
Huh?
We should have brought the stickers. Wow.
Oh.
You going up there?
No, because I won't fit. There's really nothing up here, though. Can you hold this ladder while I come down, though, please?
Yes.
It's sketchy shit.
Oh.
It's like, oh yeah, and there's no way in hell.
Yeah, so don't go up the ladder, kids. Well, it's not even attached, that's why.
No.
Well, this is it's not the same as the Mara one.
Yeah.
Yeah. They maintain a lot of trails out here. Beautiful. We met some new friends. This, I think it's Sunny and Cher crew.
Sunny and one was Mike. Or Sherry.
Yeah,
And
they're the FJ Tacoma
what is that
crew.
up there?
Looks like a raincoat. In case people get lost or not lost. Take, you got your raincoat, you can get anywhere.
Lost.
Wow. There's a concrete pad over there. I want to check out like what's down around the mountain.
Okay.
Get the drone out.
You too. Okay.
Yeah, see ya. We might be.
Hopefully we don't run into you on the way.
That'd be embarrassing. Wow. Ooh, what was that? It's like a horn.
It's probably a branch.
Those ran over Pingu. Oh, we're a bunch of freaks. There's giant beavers up in these hills. Oh, we're so weird.
Yeah, it's okay though. We found each other. That's all that matters.